Hi, I'm Christine Deegan with Coldwell Banker Real Estate Group. I'm here in front of my rare and unique new listing located at 6756 Cascade and 1709 Klaus in Greenleaf. Let's take a look. Much for watching. If you'd like more information about this incredible property, head over to christinedeegan.com. Now, before we go, I want to give you an idea of just how big the basements are in this property. So I'm 6 feet tall, so we're going to use me as a frame of reference. So right now, we are in the Klaus Street side. And here's the Cascade side. Thanks again for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.